In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin to see where price is heading, as the price is currently down 3.75% at the time of recording. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Bitcoin, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is currently down 3.53% as intended, as predicted essentially from yesterday's analysis. You can see that there was a distribution schematic that was played out, and it is now pretty much playing out, essentially coming towards the downside. It's possibly a pullback in my opinion, and then from this pullback we should have a bullish intent come through, but we will get more into that onto the chart. So on the weekly you can still see that we're still overall bullish. We did tap into the red zone around the 37 region, and then from then onwards we did have a huge impulse towards the upside. So let's go over to TradingView. Okay, so looking at TradingView, from yesterday's analysis, let's drop into the lower time frames to analyze Bitcoin. So as you know, we did have an accumulation schematic play out. We had the selling climax, we had the secondary test, and then we had the spring, and then the retest. And from the retest, we did have a little sign of weakness essentially, and then from then onwards, we just pretty much took out all of this. So yeah, it's looking good for the overall market for Bitcoin. And if we drop into the lower time frame, when we did tap into this region, essentially the strong demand zone, and not this strong supply zone, we can see that a distribution phase did occur. So you can see here this was a buying climax, and then we had the secondary test, and we had the automatic rally, and then we had the up thrust, and then we had the retest, and then this was essentially pretty much taking out liquidity, and then you can see price did drop below. So it's looking good. It's looking good for Bitcoin overall. You can see that this is my main target, and see how price is going to react in this region. Because if we draw a Fibonacci from the low, from where it initially imposed, you can see, okay, so yeah, pretty much pretty much around this region, in my opinion, I feel like we would have a pretty much good reaction, hopefully. So hopefully we can see how price reacts when it comes into the 0.618, as it is a strong reversal zone, and we could have another leg towards upside, even reaching the highs of 52k. But as of right now, we're still overall looking pretty much bearish. So we're bearish short term, and pretty much intraday we're short term. So you can see perfect distribution schematic that has played out, and then we're going to wait and see how price reacts with this overall downtrend. Hopefully we can take out this liquidity. Let me drop in. So yeah, there's, you can see a little bit of a liquidity based upon this, pretty much trendline liquidity. Hopefully we can take that out, and then we can pretty much have another accumulation phase, possibly an accumulation phase play out, but we'd have to wait and see. If we drop into the 15-minute, yep, you can see here pretty much liquidity below all of this, possibly even target this last bearish candle. So yeah, we could tap into that bearish candle, and then therefore onward we should have another leg towards upside. But there is crazy amount of volatility within the market as well. You got to take into consideration that the Ukraine and Russia war going on, which could increase the volatility with it, which will most definitely increase the volatility within the market of Bitcoin, and pretty much all the markets, essentially the stocks, the cryptos, and the foreign exchange. Forex is going crazy. So but this is pretty much the analysis for Bitcoin. We're just gonna have to wait and see how price reacts when it comes down here. It could possibly even go further lower. You never know when it comes to Bitcoin. We're just gonna have to wait and see what price action tells us. But as intended, as predicted, price was going to drop below this region. So yeah, it was pretty much a really good, you could have possibly got into a sell around about this region. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.